Are you ready? 2025 Benidorm Fiesta. Let's go. Guys, we have arrived in Benidorm. The transfer was fantastic. It was a private company Stu'd paid for. I will put it in the description of this vlog. The flight was great. It was very turbulently, if that's even a word. It was, yeah, it was giving me, ugh. Anyway, being here has made all that totally worth it, because we have just checked in to Benidorm's casual pop art hotel. Now, me and Stu have splurged a bit here because I can't remember the last time we went away together. We don't do date nights and things like that. So because we've been given this opportunity to come away, just us, no children, we've splurged and we've gone for a superior penthouse room with terrace. That's just a little sneak peek. However, I'll show you that in a sec. We're going to do the full room tour first. So, lovely mirror here when you come in, and then into the bathroom, lovely big walk-in shower, and then the amenities are rituals, which is fancy. Loving this black and white decor. Towels here, more rituals over here, and then just another nice mirror here for when we are getting ready. So yes, I'm very impressed with this. And then just here as well, we have the TV on the wall, desk area if you want to do any work, telephone to contact reception, somewhere to put your clothes. I prefer that rather than a wardrobe. Somewhere to put your luggage, plenty of drawers here, and a fridge, which is always very handy, and then a lovely massive bed. We've also got some aircon on the wall there, and as we are in the casual pop art hotel, we have obviously got some pop art on the wall. There is also some nice props in the room. But let me show you this terrace. Dreamy! Absolutely incredible. I am blown away by this. Right here we've got the marina. Right there we've got one of my most favourite places in the world, which is the Balcon du Mediterranean. Absolutely stunning. I'll show you that in either this vlog or another vlog, but it's a beautiful area of Benidorm. We are staying in the old town. You can see the Grand Barley just over there. We have stayed there before. This is all like your Poniente side, and this is obviously all your old town. Now looking out onto the beach there, if you can see these things here, these are fireworks, and that is because on the Wednesday before Fiesta Day, Fiesta's always a Thursday, on the Wednesday it marks the end of the Spanish festivities, the Spanish Fiesta, before the British have their day on the Thursday, and they go out with style. They have the biggest firework display I have ever seen. Now, we watched it not last year, the year before, because I wasn't here last year. We didn't catch it all. So part of the reason why we wanted this room is so that we have got the best view in the house. We're going to sit on here later. We're going to sit at the table. We're going to have a Prosecco on ice, and we are just going to enjoy these fireworks going crazy. So I will record some of those for you and put them into the vlog so that you can see. But yes, so we've got the table and chairs here. We've also got the two lounges, which we could actually happily sit on today. It is very warm in Benidorm today. Well, it's warm for me. It's like 22, 23, so it is a perfect temperature. So we're just gonna freshen up now, have a change of clothes, because like I say, it's very warm. And then Stu is taking me to Baldo, is it called? Baldo. For a lovely breakfast platter. So if you're liking the video so far, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. It costs nothing to subscribe, and it really helps me, pushes this channel out, and it means I can make more content for you. So let's get freshened up. Look where we have made it to. The balcony. It's so hot, isn't it, Stu?
It's boiling.
Capital B, boiling. But yeah, this is honestly so underrated. It's just so beautiful and unspoiled, and you get these absolutely magnificent views here. Peacock Island. Stu's been on that. You can go watch that on one of his vlogs. Nothing exciting over there. You just get attacked by a seagull, basically. But hey ho, you can tick it off to say you've been, can't you, darling? But yeah, have a look at there. This is what you get for coming with another influencer.
Amazing postcards from Benidorm.
Literally.
That's right. I said when we had that talk, I said I don't feel comfortable. It felt stiff. And then the two where I let myself go were horrendous. I got one dangly arm hanging out, and then that one was actually the one I didn't like, but it's the best photo.
So we basically just paid somebody to take his photo and print it out instantly. €3.90, well, €3.95,
Yeah.
but we just give him €5, didn't we?
Yeah.
And that'll be worth every penny now, because the ones that we've taken, we want to print it out.
No.
Would we?
No.
You happy with it?
Perfect. Yeah, I love that.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
There you go.
let's put it in the bag.
Go on then. It's your job.
You're out of breath too.
Yeah.
I'm glad it's not just me. There you go, so you can see it a bit more. Make a nice thumbnail, that will.
Yeah, it would actually.
Might get a little bit bent in here, but
Oh, sound. Yeah, perfecto.
you can actually see some of the old ruins here as well, from the castle, or the lookout point, whatever it was. I haven't done my research. So that is the Balkan, the Mediterranean. Like I said, one of my most favourite places in the entire world. Got a lot of good memories. I think that's why, but it helps that it's beautiful like this.
I love street entertainment.
I know, but then you have to give them €1.
Oh yeah, we need to sneak past them before they do
Come on
it.
then, quick.
Before they do it.
Right, are we going to be able to do it?
I've done €5. I want a photo.
Now we're coming up to the church, aren't we? Are we?
Yes.
The church is down here. There's a beautiful church down here. And my dad actually stayed down here, didn't he?
This is where he was.
Was he?
He's in one of their windows with his mask on.
I can
He sent
imagine.
us a photo.
He won't know where it is.
He will.
Look at the church. Wow.
Insane. That's the bin that I dropped that camera on last year, that bin there. It blew over. So he was in one of these windows here shouting out.
No way.
Incredible. Beautiful, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Definitely. Wow. What time are we on?
12:25.
Oh yeah, because I was going to say we've just missed the bells, and haven't we?
Yeah.
Look at these beautiful flowers for the fiesta. Absolutely stunning. And you can tell that these have been here since the start of the fiesta, because some of them are on the way out now, but it still looks stunning. So we're in the old part of Benidorm now, the old town. And as you can see, all the streets are decorated for the fiestas. with no expense spared. So I don't know if we said, but we're going to a place called Baldo now.
Yeah, yeah. Nice cocktails here. This is beautiful, incredible.
What's that called?
Mojito. No. Oh, crap. Nova.
Nova. Nice place for a cocktail, Stu said. But we are going to Baldo for a breakfast platter. Now, Stu had this a couple of months ago.
Yeah.
And it looked sensational. And it's basically smoked salmon, avocado, orange juice, and you can have a Prosecco. So you can bet your bottom dollar that I'm having one. Are you having a Prosecco?
No, I hate this stuff.
Are you going to have a Beveragino?
I don't know, to be honest.
Okay. Yeah, so I'll check back in when we're there. Barcello, where we stayed last time, aren't we?
Yeah, there's another hotel next door which is now under refurbishment. That was the one that had the webcam that was always there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And the cross up there. I'm so happy right now. So happy. Oh yeah. Bit of that's like, yeah, definitely. Wow. Full on just messed up the shot, Mr. Hall. You should know better that the vlog eats first. Enjoy! The food has arrived and oh my goodness, just look at this platter. We've got all sorts on there. We've got croissants, pancakes, bread, scrambled egg, avocado, salmon, parma ham, Nutella, some sort of compote, and it also comes with 2 orange juices, 2 Proseccos and 2 hot drinks as well. So we are looking forward to this, aren't we, darling?
Yeah.
That was sensational. Everything was top notch, banging. What was your favourite bit? My favourite bit, I think, was the salmon. I'm talking like this because of the copyright.
What was my favourite bit? The salmon.
Yeah.
The salmon was insane.
Yeah.
And the strawberries.
Yeah.
Oh, they were phenomenal.
Fireworks have started. We've just been for a lovely cocktail in Four Jacks. The lovely owners, what's the lady called?
I don't know. Brett is.
Or Andrea, I think. And there's Brett. Lovely owners in there. So go and have a drink in there if you're in that area. It's near, not too far from, what's the Indian called? Cafe India, which we're going to tomorrow because Stu said it is the nicest Indian he's ever had. Nicer than Rajinder.
Oh, insane. It's beautiful.
Nicer than Rajinder at Centre Park.
100%, yeah.
Oh my days. Tracy, you heard it here first. Apparently it's nicer than Rajinder, so I'll be the judge of that tomorrow. It's so mad because it's like obviously autumn here and the trees are turning brown, yet it's red hot. Like, look at the trees. Yeah, it's still really warm, like, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's crazy. It's like a typical British summer day temperature. It's lovely. So we're just having a wander into the old town now.
New town.
Sorry, new town. God, you can tell I've had a cocktail. Well, I've had one cocktail and I've had one Prosecco.
Cocktail. You had one cocktail.
I had one cocktail and one Prosecco. Oh dear. Yeah, and then we've just been figuring out a plan for later. So we're gonna have a lunch up here, see if we see any of our friends. If not, head back to the old town.
Yeah.
Hop into Ale Hop because it's my favourite shop in the world. And then hotel, siesta, shower, tapas alley, fireworks on the terrace, Prosecco, back out. So we will see you in a bit. My favourite shop in the world, Ale Hop, and the cow is dressed for Christmas. Ale Hop. Ooh. What are these? Bottle cozies.
Why?
Because I bought one of them for Bobby the other day. Alfie. Oh, cute. Oh, Christmas clips. Christmas tie. Ninja duck. God, they are for dogs. You can get your dogs some little sunglasses. Squishy plushies. Getting the goods. What have you bought there, Stu?
3 pairs of socks. Oh, this one.
This way.
Oh, this one. That's the Port Benidorm that I stayed in. We've built all this on the end here.
Oh, that is the
All
noisy
that.
hotel.
That was the noisy hotel.
So
yeah.
it would be a really good hotel.
It's a
except
beautiful
for...
hotel. I'm sure it closes November and then they'll carry on and it opens again next year. But all that there that you can see is all brand new. All that outside of the hotel. Fantastic hotel.
You'd think they'd keep it open for Fiesta, wouldn't you?
No, I think it is, and then I'm sure it closes. I've never been in there.
No.
No.
What did he say?
He doesn't know. But they are called, I'm sure they're called, what I've seen them do, patadas. And there's a fireworks shop, I'm going to go up in a bit and get some.
Stu wants
Bangers.
some bangs that you throw on the floor and they go bang.
Well, no, you light them and then chuck them like little dynamites.
Well, our Jack used to have a gun. He had it when we went Abersock, and it used to fire them, and it used to have like a red ring, and it used to fire it. It used to make a right loud bang, but these ones make a proper loud bang. So you're definitely going to get some.
Yeah.
So we're going to be in trouble
I'll
later.
throw him over the balcony.
Oh my god! Setting up the stage for tomorrow.
Ready for tomorrow. That's insane, isn't it?
It is
I know I
indeed.
keep saying insane, but it is insane. I love someone that is insane.
Proper going to town, Benidorm town. So we've had a lovely walk through the new town, looking at all the different bars, which you will have seen. So now we are walking back to the hotel. So we're going to pick up a few bits that we need, aka Prosecco. And then, yeah, we're just going to have a chill, take it easy, get ready for the evening. Going to Tapas Alley this evening just for a little bit of something because we ate all that food earlier. And then back to our room to watch the incredible fireworks. But it's still so warm, isn't it, Stu?
Yeah, yeah.
It's absolutely beautiful. Every time we come for Fiesta we have good weather, don't we?
Yeah.
Last year it was all that with the flood warnings in Valencia and things.
Yeah.
But every time I've come it's been gorgeous. I mean, look, there's still people on the beach now. Gorgeous sunshine. So let's have a walk back along the beach. What have you just bought?
A load of fireworks.
So we've had a siesta,
You
we've
have.
had some snacks,
You have.
So we're now going to Tapas Alley.
You are.
You're not going with me?
Mm-hmm.
Alright then, go me home.
The Easter praise.
Wow.
floor. That's it.
That was incredible.
So as you will have seen, that firework display was epic. Like, I know it sounds cheese on toast, but it really, really was the best firework display I have ever seen. I saw a firework display once at Alton Towers and it had lasers and stuff, but that was next level. It was amazing. So now we are going out. We're going back to Four Jacks for another drink because we really liked it there and the staff were friendly, so we're going back. And then we're going to the Philippines to watch The Greatest Showman because it's one of mine and Stu's favourite songs. And then we're going to come home and we're going to crash because the alarm went off at 2 this morning and it's now 10 to 10 and we're still going, and I had a 40-minute siesta. Stu's not even had a siesta, so I don't even know how he's surviving, but yeah. He's asleep in the toilet.
It's taking over you. This is the greatest show. Everything you ever want. Everything you ever need. You're right in front of you. This is where you want to be. Just like to give you the freedom to dream and it'll wake you up. Of your aching, take your walls and start breaking. Look what you feel, I see my taking. But I guess I'll leave that up to you. Starling, without you